Are you looking to spruce up your home with some fresh, stylish decor? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the latest rug trends that can transform any room from ordinary to extraordinary. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about quality. When choosing a rug, the material matters as much as the design. Wool rugs are a classic choice, known for their durability and comfort. If you're looking for something more hypoallergenic, consider bamboo silk or polypropylene. These materials are not only resistant to mold and mildew, but also provide that sleek, modern look. Speaking of modern, the latest trends are all about bold patterns and vibrant colors. Geometric shapes and abstract designs are taking center stage this year. Imagine a striking blue hexagon-patterned rug in your living room or a playful abstract rug in your kids' playroom. These aren't just pieces of fabric, they're conversation starters. But it's not just about looks. The value a high-quality rug brings to your home is immense. Not only do they enhance the aesthetic appeal, but they also provide comfort and warmth. Investing in a good rug means investing in the beauty and functionality of your home. And let's not forget, educating yourself about the care and maintenance of your rugs is crucial. Whether it's regular vacuuming, professional cleaning, or immediate stain treatment, proper care will ensure your beautiful rugs last for years. So, whether you're a fan of minimalist designs or eye-catching patterns, there's a perfect rug out there for your space. Upgrade your home decor today with these latest rug trends and make your floors the highlight of your home. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon for more home decor tips and trends. See you next time.